In this video, we will discuss how to create sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you create sub-accounts, you can track transactions in more detailed level. You can create sub-accounts from transactions. You can select chart of accounts. By clicking new button, you can create your account. You can enter the account name. You can select account type. You can select the detail type, and you can check this, make this a sub account, and you can select the parent account. After that, you can save your sub account. Right. We will discuss an example. Now assume in our company there are several vehicles and we need to track vehicle expenses, and also we need to track each vehicle wise expenses. So we need to create vehicle expenses as parent account, and we can create sub accounts for vehicle expenses 5250 and vehicle expenses 4848. Right, we will create these accounts. First, we need to create the vehicle expense. You can go to transactions and select chart of accounts. Click new button. First, we will create parent account, that is vehicle expenses. I select account type as expenses and detail type as travel expenses. And first, this is the parent account. It will display like this in the profit and loss report, and I'll save this. Right, next I'll create the first vehicle, that is 5.5250. Click new button. Type vehicle expenses. $5250, and account type is expenses. Detail type is travel expenses, and from here you have to select this checkbox, make this a sub account checkbox. Check this, then parent account options will activate. You can select the parent account. Here I select vehicle expenses. This is our parent account. Now you can see the appearance in the profit and loss report. Now you can save. Same way we will create the second vehicle, that is 4848. Click new button. Enter the account name, vehicle expenses 4848. Select account type, that is expenses, and detail type travel expenses. And now here we need to check this, make this a sub account checkbox. Check this, then parent account will activate it. Here we can select the parent account, that is vehicle expenses. If you want, you can add a description for this account. and you can see the appearance this account display in the profit and loss report. After that, you can save. Like that, you can create your sub accounts. After create your sub accounts, you can view it from the chart of accounts. Now here you can see that vehicle expenses, those two sub accounts will display little right side. Okay, like that you can create your sub accounts. Right, now you can do this assignment. Assume you are a export company. You will export tea, rubber and coconut, and in addition to that you will export coconut oil and coconut powder. So please create these accounts, parent accounts and sub accounts.